Hey trade, if you're just getting started on Binance, you might be wondering, what's the difference between a market order and a limit order? In this quick tutorial, I'll explain both, when to use them, and how to place each one on spot and futures. Let's dive in and save you from beginner mistakes. First up, what is a market order? A market order executes immediately at the best available price. So it's like placing an order at a restaurant. But why would you use a market order when you want to enter or exit a trade right now, and speed is more important than price accuracy? And here is a tip. Market orders usually have slightly higher fees because you retake in priority in the queue of orders. This fee is called the taker fee. On the flip side, let us say you not in a rush and you have a specific price in mind that you want to buy or sell. Then you should consider using a limit order. With a limit order, you're setting a limit or a ceiling for the price, so you'll only buy or sell once the market reaches your limit. If the price actually hits your limit, congratulations, you've successfully placed a trade. However, if the price never hits your limit, don't worry, your order won't be executed. Using a limit order can help you avoid paying the higher taker fee, and you might even get a lower price than you expected. Now the downside is that it might take some time for your order to fill, or it may not fill at all if the price doesn't hit your limit. Next, let's see how to place these orders on Binance Spot. First, go to Trade and then select Spot. For a market order, simply select Market in the order panel. Enter the amount of crypto or USD you want to buy or sell, and click either Buy or Sell. Now if you want to use a limit order, select Limit, set your price and amount, and then click Buy or Sell. Once you've placed your limit order, you can keep track of it in the Open Orders section. Here you see the status of your order, and you can cancel it at any time before it fills. Now let's explore how to place these orders on Binance Futures. It's pretty much the same process. Just go to Derivatives, select USDM Futures. Choose whether you want to buy long or sell short, and then select either Limit or Market. Keep in mind with futures, you can also use stop limit and stop market orders. These are advanced order types that can help you automate your entries and exits based on certain price levels. And here's a quick summary of the main differences between market and limit orders. With a market order, you'll get the latest available price but pay a slightly higher fee. And with a limit order, you'll have more control over the price you're buying or selling at. But you might have to wait a bit for your order to fill. Ultimately, the best way to decide is based on your trading style and preferences. If you like to trade quickly and often, a market order might work better for you. But if you're more patient and want to try to get the best price, a limit order could be a good choice. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all, so feel free to experiment and find what works best for you. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If so, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. And if you want me to explain stop orders next, just comment below. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your trading.